Everybody, every I am talking about he hit all 200 at the Watkins Glen International. Alright, so let's get started. So it was really two ways to say it was pretty much football after everything, right? So his first period on the 45 is his middle bit after it has everything, right? So here is his after.
Bertano's great. She...
Hey, what's up?
The 14 involved. Looks like Kyle Busch might have been at the front end of that. Tommy Dreese in the 14.
And this is so fast and so narrow, Rick. This is what happens. You just know, Rip, you see big damage on the 18 of Kyle Busch. He's going to go behind the wall. He's had enough. His day's done.
It's a blind turn. These guys cannot see where they're headed, and it gets very narrow up here at this point. Take another look at what happens.
Wow, you see that?
Big contact from the 90.
Yeah, you have to believe there was contact from behind or something happened. The angle at which he was heading to the wall. Severe change in directions quickly.
But the 90 got into the wall, bounced back out onto the racetrack.
Oh, and the 18 had it completely stopped until the 11 comes spinning back across the racetrack and made big contact with the left rear of the 18.
It's right along with the 11.
Until the 11 comes spinning back across the racetrack and made big contact with the left rear of the 18.
It's right along with the 11.
Look at to your left. Look at to your left. Clear. Got it right here. Back it down, back it down, back it down, back it down, back it down.
You hear a driver say, his hands off the wheel, you hear a driver say he had nowhere to go?
We got damage.
There's
We definitely got
absolutely
damage.
nothing he could have done different.
Front, right front. Tip in your hole. Everybody to garage stall. Everybody to garage stall.
Just unfortunate for really my team. We come here and I messed up first lap and first practice we had, and then we were sitting pretty for the rest of the weekend. But just getting old, Dave. Go on to Mid Ohio, I think, and try for best of luck there. But
Alright, so here we'll have a little bit after it has everything, right? Now, his next video on the 45 is a little bit of something crazy that happened that usually you don't really see happen. So here it will happen.
Big trouble on the track, Rick. Yeah, the 70, Derek Cope, a lot of damage to the front of that race car. The hood flew off, it looks like. But a lot of bracing damage also underneath the hood, and the caution comes out now for the 6th time.
It's got a flat right front tire and the hood's off this car. It's obviously had some sort of issue.
Hood not off, and he's missing the bus stop. Oh my goodness.
Moved up, that thing just exploded, the whole nose of it. I don't know what that was.
He was slowing down through the bus stop.
I'm going to admit, Rick, I'm baffled.
I've never seen a motor blow like that.
Is that a tire blow?
I mean, the right front tire is flat.
Completely blown.
It looks like...
It almost looked like both tires blew at the same time. To have that big of an explosion.
Well, I think the left front tire still has air in it. The right front tire definitely exploded, and then the black dust you see, I really think is brake dust.
Brake dust.
I think that's all the brake dust that builds up in the front of this car.
That tire then just exploded.
Yeah, I mean, you know, this shows you how violent. Normally we see a car moving when this happens.
Oh, hey, cool. That was definitely something weird and crazy when that happened. Usually nobody see that happen, but that was crazy. How it was, for exploded. Yeah. Crazy. So now I'm holding the final lap of the race, so you guys can see who went off, who wins the race today at Watkins Glen. There we go.
Out from behind the
may be broken. Yeah, it is broken. Looking at tracking sideways down the straightaway.
Yep,
Got a track bar problem.
It looks like the track bar. What that does, what the track bar does is it holds the rear end housing, both rear tires. It holds it centered in the car. So you see right there how much the housing is shifted one way, the body shifted the other, Rick. As that breaks, the body moves left to right. He's got to be very careful because it's going to run through a tire.
Bring it home.
The possibility exists that if he can't go 8 laps, he wants to, but he could wear through that right rear tire.
Well, the interesting thing is that he can make the pace that he can make. I mean, when you see the rear end moving around like that, it's hard to imagine that he can go as fast as he's going. Look how far the right rear tire is outside of the body. So, listen, I think you got to call it a day here. I just not worth having something break and having Brad Keselowski get hurt.
So what was a great battle between Logano and Keselowski. Keselowski will now have to bring the 22 to the attention of his team on pit road. Logano now has Menard behind him, but almost 4 seconds separate the two. Logano started 12 races between the last time he was at this track and today, but had not been able to find victory lane. This time as he works his way through 6 and 7 for the final time today. Joey Logano comes out of turn number 7. You'll see the checkered flag. His 26th career win in the Xfinity Series. Logano wins at the Glen again.
Hey, guys. Awesome. Way to go, 12 team. That's right. Good job, Joey. Way to hold on to that thing, man. Nice. Super day, everybody. Thank you.
Alright, anyhow, it happened, y'all. Joey Logano went off to win away today at Watkins Glen. And it looked like it was going to be a great battle between Logano and his teammate, Brad Keselowski. But his Brad had trouble with the flag ball, and he had to go to pit wall. And Menard was not had enough time to pick up Logano. So yeah, Logano went off and went away. Oh, nice one, Logano. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go into Logano victory lane interview as a winner away today at Watkins Glen. So here is his victory lane interview.
Well, Rick, this is becoming a familiar sight. Joey Logano wins 3 in a row here at Watkins Glen. His tradition of pulling the steering wheel out of the car when he brings it to victory lane. And I've got to know, though, your teammate was behind you. It looked like he might be able to catch you. Were you a little worried there for a while?
I tried really, really hard. Brad was, I think, faster than me. But I remember last year racing here, and whoever was out front was faster, or sorry, was behind was faster, just because of the draft. So it was a lot of fun racing there with Brad. I was running as hard as I can, trying not to make mistakes, but what an awesome win for Team Penske, getting this Xfinity car in here. Snap-on, 30 years, it's just awesome. Discount tire, SKF, Fitzgerald, Shell, Pennzoil, wheels up, Coca-Cola, obviously. This is awesome. It's been a long time coming for the Xfinity team here on the Penske side, and get this 12th group together that, you know, doesn't race very often, but Greg Irwin leading it, and having my 22 guys from tomorrow pitting it today did a great job as well, so looking forward to tomorrow.
That's 3 in a row for Joey Logano here at Watkins Glen. He hopes tomorrow he can make it 4 in a row.
Alright, so here was Logano victory lane interview. So now I'm gonna go into what the point system look right now after today's race. So we have Elliott Sadler, 2.0, Dillon for the second, Ty Taylor 2, Eric Jones 4, and Watkins Allgaier is 6. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into what a weight right now at heavyweight. And so far, we do have only 3 fighters with a win, and the other 9 fighters are at a point right now. So here is what it looks like. Holy cow. Every 4 Elliott Sadler is still falling with a win. And here we have Ty Harris for the Allgaier, 22, 22, 24, Taylor Hero, Ryan Reed, Ryan He, and 3-2. So these 9 fighters are locked at a point right now. Oh yeah, that was a weight look like so far. And we hope like hit more weight here or something like that because of weight. Oh, never know what might happen. Hey, I think that movie all the way on the hot about it was a weight. Oh, that was the hit of to her. So now we go to next weight. So next weight is for the at the Mid-Ohio Football. 3 weeks forward here, 3 or 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Weight is for the top at about 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And another full window, you can work it on USA. So yeah, it's going to be on USA next week for the penalty weight. Because the Olympic is too far off, so USA next week for the penalty weight. Alright. So, this is mostly all I want to talk about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will talk to you guys in next week at Mid-Ohio. Another World weight next week. So, see you. Alright. Bye everybody.